As his arm reached around, oh, and she looked at the window, and she watched the shade go down. It was a private conversation. No one heard her say that man she left behind was 2,000 miles away. A singing boy, pick up that fiddle, who would play that steel guitar, who would find yourself a lady, who would dance right where you are. There was a lonely girl from nowhere, with a smile all sweet and plain. Oh, and she never stopped to wonder who she'd see him again. It was a private conversation. No one heard her say that man that she was looking for was only 20 streets away. A singing boy, pick up that fiddle, who would play that steel guitar, who would find yourself a lady, who would dance right where you are. She came walking in, oh, and he never stopped to wonder who if he'd see her again. It was a private conversation. No one heard him say that girl he left behind was 2,000 miles away. Just saying, boy, pick up that fiddle, who would play that steel guitar, who would find yourself a lady, who would dance right where you are. And the moral of this story, I guess it's easy to say that. Oh, look at what you've been through, and I see what you've become. But it's a private conversation. No one hears you say, but it's a private conversation. Shade go down. It was a private conversation.